Like this video and subscribe for these hero animals. This brave guard dog springs into action to save this boy from a stranger. Even though this toddler wasn't in immediate danger, this cat was not taking any chances with it. A leopard charges this zookeeper from behind, but his tiger friend is there to save the day.
¿Quieren pasar a saludar, niñas? Sí. Pone muy rico el ambiente aquí. ¡Hey! 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 ¡Sin garras!
In training, this dog shows that it will do anything to protect its family. This whale protected this woman from what would be a lethal tiger shark attack.
Hiding me. He came right for me. He didn't stop. He kept pushing.
Man, yeah, the way pretty bad.
Got me back in the boat, and I was laughing.
Instead of a guard dog, here we have a guard horse. This kid pretended to have difficulty swimming, but his dog did not get the joke. Rather than attacking, this gorilla comes over to an injured boy to see if he can comfort him. A man was whisked away in the river, but this elephant wasted no time in springing into action. This very angry goose tried to attack this dog's owner. This dog refuses to go to sleep until everybody in the house is tucked into bed. Cat comes to the rescue when it matters the most. This man has two overprotective dogs that aren't too happy with him swinging into the river. Kitty saves toddler from tumbling down a massive flight of stairs. A stranger walks into this woman's home, but her Great Dane is there to show him he made a mistake. This German Shepherd led firefighters to a fire that they simply could not find.
Find the fire which was threatening. The Heinrich Holm recognized that something was unusual when he saw Buddy. He did the dog's action, and acting on a hunch, he followed Buddy to the house that was being threatened by the fire. Thus,
this dog decides to quit its day job and become a crossing guard. Dog's owner has a seizure and flags down anyone for help.
Kelly says she is forever thankful.
This horse teams up with experts to find a missing 2-year-old that was lost in the woods.
To the Hardy Creek trailhead, I just kind of followed instinct and really felt where would this person be, and they were crying. So I said to Wilson, go get her, show me the way, and he did. Wilson's the red one. These are miniature Australian shepherds.
He's trying to save you! He's saving you! See? I'm trying!
In this last viewer-submitted image, as you can see, a dog saves a baby from the bottom of a pool. Talk about the perfect hero.